How to remove the hood or bonnet on a Volkswagen Passat. We're going to disconnect the lines, the screen washers over here. So we're going to take this panel off here, just pull back this rubber strip, start lifting it up. Pulls out. Next, remove this little guard here. It's on a Torx T30. And that gives you a bit more room to disconnect. Let lines to the jet, which we can disconnect from here. Disconnected. Put some towels around the windshield and around the wings, just protect the paint and the glass. Remove this lift here. So we'll need some sort of prop to hold the bonnet up while you remove it. Just use a broom handle or some scrap metal. Now for the bottom side, it's off. Remove these 13mm nuts and these 13mm nuts. What I've done is removed one on one side and slackened the other, and removed one on this side and slackened the other as well. Ideally you would have a helper here, but I'm going to do this by myself. I'm just going to use one hand to hold the top of the bonnet. Other side out. Lower the bonnet down. Lift off. And there you go.